Hello and welcome to Freestyle American English and this English lesson. Today you will learn 20 simple questions with their answers. You will listen to me and you will repeat after me. And remember to speak out loud. Let's begin and have some fun together. What time is it? What time is it? It's 3 o'clock. It's 3 o'clock. What day is today? What day is today? It's Monday. It's Monday. What month is it? What month is it? It's January. It's January. How do you feel? How do you feel? I'm happy. I'm happy. Are you tired? Are you tired? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? No, I'm not. No, I'm not. How is the weather? How is the weather? It's sunny. It's sunny. How was your day? How was your day? It was great. It was great. What season is it? What season is it? It's summer. It's summer. Is it cold outside? Is it cold outside? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Are you busy? Are you busy? No, I'm free. No, I'm free. What time do you go to bed? What time do you go to bed? At 10 p.m. At 10 p.m. When do you eat breakfast? When do you eat breakfast? In the morning. In the morning. When do you go to work? When do you go to work? At 8 a.m. At 8 a.m. When do you play games? When do you play games? In the evening. In the evening. Great job today. You practiced simple English questions with their answers. Remember, listen again. Repeat the sentences, practice every day. The more you practice, the faster you will learn English. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Freestyle American English, and share it with your friends. See you next lesson. Thanks.